Hey guys, it's Zach and welcome back to the shop. Today we're actually going to be spending most of our day outside. So the goal is, well, there goes the dog. The goal is to take that stuff right there and get it up there. But before we do that, we need to clean this whole area out, and I'm going to start by trying to cut this stuff up and burn it. So stick around. Taking a quick break for lunch, but just wanted to show you guys that we've knocked out the end cap, so on that side as well as the beginning, and Paul knocked out the electrical for this side. So now what we need to do is run a string along there, and that will give us our total drop, and then we'll cut 2 more braces in between the two, and then we can start knocking out the metal part, which should hopefully go a lot quicker, because setting all this up is taking quite a bit of time. There you have it, guys. I gotta tell you, I am super excited to have this done, because now we can store things underneath the deck, which the whole point of this was to bring the teardrop trailer down here so I can get started on it. But yeah, I'm super excited. There's probably a couple little odds and ends that need to happen, but all in all, I think it looks really good. It took a total of 6 pieces of the roofing, and then I had to cut the last one to make it fit. And this is about 13.5 foot distance, so turned out really good. But yeah, so thanks for watching, folks, and I will see you next time.